Hello, welcome again. We are solving mathematics paper of year 2024 of NDNA 1 exam. Question number 68 is consider the following in respect of moment of a force. 1. The moment of force about a point is independent of point of application of force. 2. The moment of a force about a line is a vector quantity. Which of the statements given above is are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, and option D neither 1 nor 2. So answer is option B 2 only. So here the moment of force about a point is not independent of point of application of force. It depends upon the point of application of force. So that should be the correct statement. So explanation is no, the statement is incorrect. The moment of force about a point is dependent on the point of application of the force. The moment is calculated by taking the cross product of position vector from the chosen point to the point of force application and the force vector itself. This means the moment will change if the point of force application changes, even if the force and chosen point are same. Okay, so first statement is incorrect, and the second correct statement is the moment of force about a line is a vector quantity. So moment of force about a line is a vector quantity. That is correct statement. This means it has both magnitude and direction. The moment about a line is found by taking the moment about a point on the line and then projecting it on to the direction of the line. So answer is option B 2 only.